Hello. My name is Alexandra, and I would like you to stop for a moment in this fast-paced world. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to the present. Feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the air moving across your skin. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the cool air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Breathe in again. And as you exhale, soften your shoulders, relax your jaw, and release the muscles in your face. Allow your attention to drift toward the sounds around you. Don't label them, just notice them. Be aware of the space between the sounds. The silence that rests underneath. Shift your focus now to your hands. How do they feel? Warm? Cool? Relaxed? Simply observe. Now, slowly, bring your attention to your heartbeat. Feel its gentle rhythm. Steady and constant. This heartbeat, the pulse of life, connects you to this moment. You don't need to do anything or be anywhere else. Just be here. Feel the rise and fall of your breath, the steady rhythm of your heart, and the calm that begins to fill you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of presence with you. Thank you for taking a moment for yourself. Come back here as often as you want. Share this video with your friends who may also need to take a break from their busy lives. Take care, and hope to hear you soon.